Top 20 J. Tolkien Quotes. John Ronald Reuel Tolkien was an English writer and philologist. Moonlight drowns out all but the brightest stars. The road goes ever on and on, down from the door where it began. Faithless is he that says farewell when the road darkens. Even the smallest person can change the course of the future. Fantasy is escapist, and that is its glory. Deeds will not be less valiant because they are unpraised. I would rather spend one lifetime with you than face all the ages of this world alone. You step into the road, and if you don't keep your feet, there's no knowing where you might be swept off to. All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given us. There is some good in this world, and it's worth fighting for. It is not the strength of the body that counts, but the strength of the spirit. Darkness must pass. A new day will come, and when the sun shines, it will shine out the clearer. Many that live deserve life, and some that die deserve death. The world is indeed full of peril, and in it there are many dark places, but still there is much that is fair. The wide world is all about you. You can fence yourselves in, but you cannot forever fence it out. Still round the corner, there may wait a new road or a secret gate. The stars are veiled, something stirs in the east, a sleepless malice. May it be a light to you in dark places when all other lights go out. There is no story ever told that men would rather find was true. If more of us valued food and cheer and song above hoarded gold, it would be a merrier world.